What dispositions do you possess that you think will make you a successful teacher? Things that I do that I think that will make me a successful teacher is being sensitive to others, just taking, whatever's going on in their lives into perspective and understanding why they're acting this certain way. Being empathetic shows that I care and that they mean something to me, which they will when I'm a teacher. Being positive with myself and towards the students is a super important thing to me because I think being positive makes students and people in general stay motivated and happy to do things in that classroom or in the setting that they're in. I think I'm also a really good listener. I think this will help me in education world because people always, not everyone's lives are perfect. I mean, no one's lives are perfect, and they should have that respect from someone else that's willing to listen to them and help them in any way they can. I'd also like to think that I'm coachable, and what I mean by this is that when I'm doing something that maybe isn't right or that could be done in a different way that could better my teaching, I'd be more than willing to fix whatever that problem is and just better myself as a teacher. What dispositions do you need to work on before you enter the classroom as a first-year teacher? Being a first-year teacher, even the thought of it sounds terrifying, but I'm also thrilled. I think one of the things I'll struggle with is laying down the law and the students actually taking me seriously. When I get mad, or not really mad, but when I'm trying to be serious, I smile because sometimes I get uncomfortable, and the students might take that in a wrong way when I'm trying to be serious, but they think it's funny because I'm smiling. So that's one thing I definitely need to work on. Being confident in what I'm teaching will definitely be something that I'd like to work on too, because I want to make sure the students know that this is right and I'm right, what I'm teaching them, so they can better educate their futures. And I just want to make sure that I also don't pick favorites. I don't see myself doing this, but I know a lot of my teachers in the past have picked favorites, and I just remember how it made me feel, which wasn't very good because they would treat their favorites better. What does professional education look like to you, and how do they behave? I think when I see a professional teacher, in my eyes, they're confident in teaching in themselves. They're respectful to students and coworkers. They're value driven to the school standards and what the school believes in, and as well as what they believe in. Dedication to their work and students, which I hope to have all of these when I become a teacher. What standard guides their thinking and actions? I think the core ideas, which it comes from the standards and the core ideas of the school that they belong to, are super important, and this is what guides them to what they think in their actions in their classroom. Success, are the students being successful in what they're teaching and how they're teaching, and if not, how can they change it to better the students? Strategies, engaging in learning, and interactions, relationships and learning. Can learning be maximized? How can you change things so that the students are getting their full potential to learn and things like that? Thank you.